Find the area of the parallelogram whose diagonals are 3i cap plus j cap minus 2k cap I minus 3j plus 4k cap. Now, the diagonals which are given in the problem, we will assume the first one as a vector that is equals to, we will write it as 3i cap plus j cap minus 2k cap, while b vector is equals to I cap minus 3j cap plus 4k cap. The formula for the area of the parallelogram when diagonals are given is given by half of the magnitude of a vector cross b vector. So for that purpose, first we will calculate a vector cross b vector. So it will get in the determinant form. The first row will be written as in the form of ijk, while second row comes from the a vector that is known as 3, 1, minus 2, while b vector comes for the third row components that is 1, minus 3, it is 4. So if we expand this determinant, we will get it as I cap into 4 minus 6 minus j cap into 12 plus 2 plus k cap into minus 9 minus 1 that is equals to minus 2 I cap minus 14 j cap minus 10 k cap. Now we will calculate the magnitude of a vector cross b vector. Therefore, magnitude of a vector cross b vector is equals to magnitude of minus 2 I cap minus 14 j cap minus 10 k cap that is equals to square root of minus 2 whole square plus minus 14 whole square plus minus 10 whole square that is equals to square root of 4 plus minus 14 whole square is 196 minus 10 whole square is 100, that can be written as square root of 300, and even this can be written as 4 into 75 that is equals to 2 into root of 25 into 3 that is equals to 10 root 3. Now we'll write the area of the parallelogram. So the area of the parallelogram is equals to the half of the magnitude of a vector cross b vector that is equals to half of the value of magnitude of a cross b is 10 root 3. 2 ones are 2 5s are, that is equals to 5 root 3 square units.